Today, we're going to make a video of me drawing a 3D truck. And as you can see, this is what I look like. Obviously, I'm a girl with a pink shirt, blue pants. And you get the point. I'm a chair, screen door. You get the point. Do you get the point? Okay, get the point. Today we're going to be drawing a 3D truck, which I already said. And the supplies you'll be needing is any kind of mechanical pencil or just a normal pencil, a sheet of paper to draw on, and you're going to need markers, any color you like. And I'm going to set the camera up here, and hopefully you guys can see what I'm drawing. Let me know in the comments below if you cannot see. I'll try to make a new one when I watch it if it's not there. Okay? Let's start. The first thing you need to do is you need to get the base like this. You need to draw. Oh no, my lead broke. Mistakes all the time. You need to draw the base of it to the top, and then as you go down, you just draw the frame and the thing for the tires. I don't know what that is. Paper. Then you draw this. See, real simple, right? Then the thing to make it 3D is you have to draw lines. See, like this. You want to have lines going here. And then down here, you just do the same way. Then for this way, it's the other direction. Then after that, it looks kind of funny. You just draw the lines like that. Then you draw another line going over here. Draw a line going down. You can watch. And if you guys want, you can follow along or pause the video as you do it. See that? It looks too simple, right? You want to add the tires, of course. So you want to draw a simple circle, the same size as the other circle. Oh no, my lead broke again. Sooner I'm gonna get a different pencil from now on. Let I'm losing from this. I think I'm just pressing too hard. Like that. The shapes might not be right, but it's just a picture. Doesn't have to be perfect. I know my phone cannot capture all your thing, but it's fine. As long as you're looking at what I'm drawing. Then draw the rims like that. Does that look good so far? Okay. Then after you're done doing that, you draw the little bolts to hold the rim on. Doesn't matter how many, as long as it ain't too crazy of an amount. As long as it looks normal. And do the same. Don't mind if my drawings are bad. I'm just a kid. I'm only 11, but I'm just drawing a picture. And you draw the little lines for detail. I'm not a big artist, but someday I wish I can be. Okay, there are the tires. It might even want to draw the things to hold it on. I don't know if that's how it is, but it looks kind of normal to me. Do you guys get that? The front is just this. You got the tires, the little things on them, and that. You got that? Okay, once you're done doing that, you always want to draw the windows and the doors. And draw the line, because that'll be the windows. Then you draw a line going straight down, and that'll be the doors. And you always want to draw the handles. But I don't want to color them in yet. I have to use marker, and I'm not using marker yet. And there's one thing we're missing. we have to draw like the outline of the windows. They have to look normal. And if you want, you can even make little details for the windows where like looks realistic. Like this. So far, we're doing really good on drawing. See, like that? Then, the details I'm talking about is you draw the long line, then a shorter line and a shorter line, then a long line, a shorter line and a shorter line, then a long line, shorter line, and a shorter line. And then you almost forgot this windshield. Oops! Always had to fix your mistakes. I know that I'm supposed to be making a YouTube video, but everyone makes mistakes sometimes. A good thing I'm using a pencil first. Like that. So far, my picture is good. Now, you want to draw the headlights. Like that, and then the backlights. And if you hear meow, that's my Zoe trying to get near me. I'll show you what she looks like in a moment. I just have to finish this picture. And after this, we want... Hey Zoe, don't call me. Stop. Sorry for the interruption. Then, you always want to draw a background. So you want to draw a road. You don't have to color the road, it's too much. You guys can do that at home while you're watching. And you can just draw the road like so, like that. There. We're almost done. Once you're done doing the road, you always want to draw clouds. Oh no, I'm not recording. There. The cloud kind of looks funny. You want to fix that mistake. There we go. And you want to move to up there and there. Looks so cartoony, doesn't it? And maybe I'll another one over here, but a little bigger. I know, I'm messing up here, sorry. I hate when I break lead. Why is this so hard? I'm supposed to make a YouTube video here, and I'm kind of freaking out. I'm actually sweating. I'm not sweating from being hot, I'm sweating from being nervous. Phew, this is a hard job here. Well, I'm almost done. I got the clouds and the bird, and you always want to make the wings. There, now it's time for coloring. You can do any color you want as long as it looks right. I am going to pick one of these colors. I am going to pick red. You see that? You want to pick that. Put this aside. Then I'm going to color the truck red. Excuse me while I color. I will not speak anymore. Just more watching. Thank you. just to let you know, I'm sorry if you hear TV. Because I was just watching TV earlier. Now, since we're done doing the truck, we're going to do the door handles on the sides here. There we go. The door handle's done. Now we are going to do the windows. There. Since we're done doing the windows, we now want to do the headlights, backlights. First, we want to get some orange right here. Then some red. Some red down here. Some orange. The last thing we have to do is do the tires. We want to get the black, color this. last but not least, we want to do the bird. Then the things on the road, then we'll be done with our 3D truck. All done. Now, this is how you draw a 3D truck. Isn't this a nice picture? I'll show you all the details if you're gonna see. There's windows, door handles, little things for the road, tires, and clouds. I hope you guys can see that. Now, what have you guys have all been waiting for? I am going to show you what Zoe looks like. Like my first video, I'm going to show you again so you can see it. Zoe, come here. Zoe, come here. Come here. Come here. That's Zoe. Aren't you a sweetie? Come here. I want to pet you. I want to pet you. I want to pet you. And that's my station I was working at. Hey, shoot, hey, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Oh. Hey. Okay. I got it in this video now. So I'm going to put the camera over here. Can you guys see that? Are you seeing me? Or are you seeing it? Okay, I don't know, but I hope you guys can see me. Like this. Come on, camera. Please stay. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I just wanted to show you how to draw something. And I hope you guys hit the bell, like this video, subscribe. I'm not trying to be greedy, but I just want you guys to enjoy my video. Gotta go, bye. See you guys in the next video.